What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be playing Animal Company, and if you don't know what it is, you do not exist. But if you do know what Animal Company is, you do exist. So like, I'm just saying.
Blue, let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you.
You can follow. Yeah.
Golly, Billy Bruce Lee. I'm a minion.
Yo, Blue, how you got your jacket? Blue, how you got your jacket?
I don't know. For the how do you get the wood jacket? Bro, what? That simple jacket.
The titty boy. Get the hell out of here, boy.
Yeah, Grandpa.
I can help you. The Blue, let me.
Oh, damn! I've been waiting for years to use my special boom cake recipe.
I miss. Grandpa!
Can somebody give
I'll
me
pull out my powerful item.
How did you not die?
You know?
My powerful item is here.
Small block it's time.
What, Grandpa?
It's time for me to enter my final form.
Alright, Grandpa, give me a sec, cause they're like freaking like trying to touch me.
It's time to enter my final form.
I'm about to go down.
Now whoever stole my bag, I'm gonna report you to Discord and get you the Yo, whoever stole that bag, you're not cool.
It's on Blue. Blue
bag, white
Blue the bear.
I'm gonna have a nut fest.
Thank
you.
Yeah, Blue the bear.
I can't grab it.
Red. You wanna know something? Your mama's a bitch. Your mama's a bitch.
None of y'all won't figure out.
Yo, who wants a free lava cube? First person
I want
to
to.
you can get them in mine. One's a free lava crystal.
That man gave the nice what's that?
Hey, that hurt us crazy.
Yeah, I have unlocked my final form.
Boy, good boy.
Hey,
Go get that thing. Nah. Bro says good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy.
And make sure that it hurts in the morning.
Yo.
Who stole it?
Why? Who would steal something?
Get the hell out of here. I don't know how I did that.
Yo, don't kill me, please. I just got revenge.
Yeah, if you kill Blue, then you guys like men.
You're a good boy. Okay.
Free block is under. Free block is
I got
under.
nothing.
Now see, I can actually throw. Yeah, I can't throw. Ow!
The fact that there was nothing in that bag is so dumb.
The fact that you're gay.
Oh, y'all need help?
Come up here!
Oh, I'm coming, Gramps.
Come up here!
Coming in.
I got it! I got it, baby!
Grandpa found this in a storage unit from back in Vietnam.
Go, go, go!
Okay, bro. Let me go hunt.
Wait, now we're initiate. My bomb shield sent me to the moon. It turns out all explosions that you throw in don't, like, work against the shield. Like, throw in front of the shield, it won't damage you. Also, see why they call me Grandpa the Almighty Jesus of the Second? lava, right? Yeah, Grandpa. Initiating my power.
Free ammo?
I'm a lava
Free ammo, who wants it?
walker.
Free ammo.
Got there, boy. Got there, this is going up your ass.
Brenton, look
Bring
over
some
here.
ammo.
Oh yeah, Grandpa.
Hey!
Why can't I?
Is it child a year for the mine? Come back here, you.
Oh, I like your T-ball.
He had red watch. It's not my fault. He had red watch. I said, wee! But he had red watch. It's not my fault.
Yeah, you're not funny. Just leave the code already.
I tell
You're literally kind of
Yeah, I don't care.
about yourself. What? Red watch?
Yeah, I don't care about you. The fact that I have a mom is sad.
Bro, we didn't even
Stick my
No. Just accept your faith. Accept it.
Bro, why are you taking people's stuff now, bro? That ain't cool.
Because I can. And I want to.
Where's red
Hey, are you
watch?
scrambled egg?
Guys, is this OG? Is this rare?
Oh, you red watch.
Meh.
Hey, leave me alone.
Actually, no, it's really rare.
Leave me alone.
It's really
I
rare.
only
Don't let
needed
anybody have it.
manslaughter in the second degree, so that's why I'm don't.
My game just said,
I'm still standing.
Hey, over here. Over here.
bro, they're aggressively dying.
Yo, Bobby, stop it, Bobby, Yabba. Stop it, Bobby, Yabba.
Bro, say?
Yo, give me
I don't
Abba Yabba.
understand a single thing that man said, man.
Me?
I'm Abba Yammo.
You know what?
I don't know where you weren't getting RPG ammo. The thing you're getting is nothing.
Please.
Yeah, maybe go scramble for it, man.
Anybody want to go to the office?
Go scramble, dog.
I want to go to the office. Hey, does anybody want to go to the office with me? Me.
Go scramble.
My name's Capybara.
Here. Thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Hey, good, my friend. I need it for me, my friend. Oh, God.
Give it to Gibby.
Hey, who wants to go to the? Who wants to go to the?
Give it to me.
Who wants to go to the office with me?
You missed Grandpa.
I do. I want to go to the office.
Gibby.
I surrender. I surrender.
Me, I
I
want to come to the.
surrender.
I want to come to the
surrender.
office.
Nope, blew it back up. Never mind.
I want to come to the office.
my grandson.
Okay,
Let me get
I'm going
glued
to
up.
protect him with my life.
Grenade.
It's go time. Peace
I'm
and
feeling lost
purple.
over
Bro, what? You did not make sense.
I just shoot
the
them.
loaded one. The loaded one.
I killed him.
Grandson, come to mines. Come to the mines.
So let me out the
Come to the place you and I used to yearn for.
Yeah, I want to come mining. For some reason, I heard go to the mines, so I'm going to the mines.
Okay.
They're gonna kill you.
Yeah, I prefer to not go to mine.
Oh
Finally, bro.
my God.
To kill Kibba.
I heard the word go to the mines, so I'm going to the mines.
Okay, let's go to the mines. I heard the word go to the mines, so I'm going to the mines.
Yeah, who
Who has RPG ammo?
Who has the ammo?
For some reason, I heard go to the mines, so I'm going to the mines.
Who has taco ammo? Who has taco
Yeah,
ammo?
I have loads in
Who
my
has taco
backpack
ammo?
right now.
I need
bro.
ammo. Who has taco ammo?
I heard the word go to the mines, so I'm going to the mines.
Get it,
Come over here.
Where is it?
Mimo made the best.
Let's go to the
Made
mines.
the best biscuits. Try one.
Oh, this.
Let's
Wait,
go to the mines.
Alright, let me put some. I heard the word go to the. Okay, we get it.
Luke, come on. Let's go to the mines. I heard the word go to the mines, so I'm going to the
Oh
mines.
my.
Come on. Let's go.
I heard go to the mines. Oh, that's so good. No, the butter. The butter. Mines. Sorry.
I have got
The butter. Come back. Please don't.
butter, no!
Oh, I heard the word go to the mines.
You know what?
Yo, Hob.
Wait, guys.
Well,
You know what?
I'm officially your second grandpa.
I
Yay.
Dad.
Not today. I'm your brother. Please don't. I don't.
Guys,
Grandson!
What the heck are you, little kitty?
For some reason I just died for no reason. Grandson, come back to mines! I'll protect you! I've brought my second line of defense! Come back to mines! Grandson, come to mines!
Run!
hi guys.
Run, green, run, blue, or whatever the color is, run.
Why?
Don't touch that. That's mine. I know I'm at 1% health. I'm at 1% health. Please help me.
I'm back!
Whoa! I'm at 1% health.
Grandson, get in here! Get back here and get in! I'm guarding the entrance!
Okay. I just
Yo, look at this little monkey.
Quick!
Shooting
Quick, get in!
Just going
Get
to the mines,
in!
bro.
I'll protect you!
Can somebody buy me 2 rockets?
You get by me.
I'm so that mean, bro.
I'm broke.
Open fire on him!
Bro, I shot some.
I'm coming to the mines. God, I just got hit by a fire.
Oh my gosh, run.
Guys, grandson is our top priority! Grandson, we gotta get you to the extraction point! Follow Grand!
Fire, he's up!
Help! I'm at 1% health!
Perfect.
Grandson, come back! It's helping me.
What's the password? No idea.
Okay, I'm going back.
Lee. The password is Baba Booey.
No, actually, the password is Chimichangas 123.
Whoa! Chimichanga.
I have the password. Can I come in?
All right, come on, we gotta get
Brother!
this rock down.
Guys, wait for me!
I got snacks, aka Doritos.
Can someone help me get over there, though?
You brought me some Doritos. I love Doritos.
Can someone help me get over there, though? Please help me. I'm not good at parkour, please. I'm low.
Just go on the side, go on the side, go on the side.
How? Which side?
Well, drop your sticks.
Oh,
No, wait, go to channel 2. Go to channel 2.
Hey,
Help!
hello.
Grandpa's!
I'm trying to get out of here. Huh? I'm trying to get out of here. Dude, take this.
Thank you. I will shoot this if I'm in
Grandson, bring
distress.
some grapplers!
Coming back, Grandpa.
Grandson, bring grapplers for our crew!
Oh God. Go, let's go. Oh,
Quick, get in the mine!
I'm alerting everybody. Click and get in the mines.
Hello.
Whoa, state your name and business. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Back yet?
Phoenix!
Wait, I have an idea. Move! Move! Sorry, move!
I'm moving.
What
is this?
Yes, Grandpa.
I'm alive. I'm not moving. I can't see anything.
I'm Hulk.
Is it supposed to be on this long? Is the
I'm
white stuff
Hulk.
supposed to be on this long?
No, it's not.
Orange, get up.
Are you good?
Oh, is the white supposed to be on this long?
No, you good?
I'm just breaking every stone.
No. Gramps.
Careful.
I'm here. I'll save your stuff.
Still alive.
Grandpa's on.
State your name.
I'm alive.
Somebody give me
not
a
gonna
boost,
die. Can somebody give me a boost, please?
Still there.
Do this.
Where's my rocky launcher? I missed.
Bro, can I get those, bro? I cannot find any of them. Let me get one. Just one.
Wait a minute. State your business. Are you just here to go mining? He's just here to go mining. Let him pass.
Time to go mining.
State your name and business. Look up and forward.
Oh no.
Leave. Portable turret is ready to fire. Leave
Don't
the
go
way
over
you
there.
came. What are y'all yapping about?
What's up?
Hello?
Time to go mining. Okay. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, time
Don't
to
do my...
Time to go mining. Time to go mining.
Yeah, Grandpa.
I have to go mining.
Where do I go? Okay, good.
Everyone get to the mine shaft.
KKK members, crazy.
Who's that? No. Whoa.
My grandpa was a KKK member. Oh.